Hi, my name's Chris Martin. This is my son, Ryan Martin. We are owners of Net Zero Rocky Mountain. We are designers and engineers of commercial LED lights, as well as what we like to call indoor air quality. We do want to just talk about a couple of things that we just talked about in the video. This GUV light that Norm referred to as R2D2, which is a great name. This is from Larson Electronics. It's a high quality unit. It comes in a lot of different sizes. Our corporate headquarters, Net Zero USA out of Atlanta, is coming out with several of these units by November 2020. But this is a good product.
And just to be clear, GUV, for those who are unclear, it stands for Germicidal Ultraviolet. So that's the type of technology that we're referring to when we say GUV. With this ozone, we actually do not sell this type of product. Ozone is very effective on cleaning out the air. It'll pretty much kill everything. It kills molds, viruses, bacteria. It has not yet been third-party tested to kill COVID, but it has been tested to kill SARS-CoV in 2004 that came out, as well as many other viruses and bacteria. The downside about this is ozone is a toxic gas. You do not want to breathe ozone. Norm had mentioned earlier, they put a sign on the front of the door that says do not enter. That's very, very important to not enter the room for at least half an hour until after the ozone machine is done running. And that's just because ozone is very reactive and it is toxic.
Well, in closing, I just want to encourage you to give us a call. Let us know what your current situation. What I have found out studying and working through this industry, what we found out over the last 3-4 months is the solutions are all over the place on how to best address this. Yes, filters do work. Getting a higher, what's called a HEPA filter does work, but this particularly coronavirus, the COVID virus, is only 0.3 microns, so it just seems to pass right through most filters. So that may not be the perfect solution. We're all doing our best, and we've got some great products to show you, and they've been tested with time,